If I could go back 5 years, there's one money mistake I would fix immediately. Yes. And the painful part, it wasn't about not earning enough. It was how I was thinking. If you're working hard, but your money never seems to move forward, this might be the mistake you're making too. What are the mistakes? Yes, the first one is that for years, I believed the problem was my income. I thought if I just make more money, everything will be fixed. But what nobody explained to me is that more income without structure is just increased chaos. Let's pause here and bring in research naturally. Study in behavioral economics show that when income rises suddenly, whether through promotion, side hustle, or bonus, spending rises almost proportionally. This is called lifetime inflation. The brain adapts quickly. What used to feel like luxury become normal. And then rent increases, car upgrades, better phones, more eating out, more family obligation. And suddenly you are stuck, just a higher level. Why do this happen? If you may ask. Now, let me break this down for you. There's a conception in psychology called hedonic adaptation. It means humans quickly adjust to improved conditions. The emotional high from any more money fades fast. Research has shown that a salary increase gives happiness temporarily. Within months, your emotional baseline resets. Your expenses often increase to match the new baseline. So the real mistake isn't low income. The real mistake is I thought income was the solution. I didn't realize that the structure was. Let me tell you how I was trapped. This is my personal story. I was busy, I was responsible, and I was also trying, but my money was flowing in one direction and out. Here's what was happening to my money. There was no intentional investing, no automated savings, no asset building, just bill payment, emergency, and survival. And here is some matters more than starting big. Compounding over time beats intensity over short period. So even small consistent investment outperformed late and aggressive investment. Thing nobody talks about openly. When you grow up in a middle class or struggling environment, you are trained for stability, no wealth. You are taught, save what's left. Don't even take risks at all. What is hard? Be grateful. But nobody teaches ownership, assets, compounding, and position. So you work and survive and keep on repeating the same cycle. Now let's just take a look at the data nobody talks about. Let's talk facts. Yes, in many developed and developing economics, over 60% of adults live paycheck to paycheck, and a large percentage cannot even cover a small emergency without borrowing. High earners often carry high debts, so it's not just you. The system also rewards consumption more than investments. So you are constantly marketed to scroll and upgrade, buy, experience, and also enjoy now. And when your income increases, consumption also increases faster than what you own. That was the mistake I made. I consume more than I position. Now, let me tell you the turning point of the whole issue. The shift just happened when I stopped asking, how much do I make? And start asking, what does my money do after I receive it? That person changed everything because income is temporary, but systems are permanent. When I study financial behavior patterns, I noticed something powerful. Wealth Builder focuses on cash flow allocation, asset acquisition, delay gratification, and consistency, not the income alone, which I have been doing wrongly. Now, what should I do or I have done earlier that I'm not doing now? If I go back, here's what I will fix immediately. Number one is to automate my saving first. No matter what's left, I must save. Income comes in, 10 or 20% must be automatically saved before paying bills or before spending. Because my willpower will always fade. The system don't, so I must be serious with my saving. Two, I have to start investing, no matter how small it is, immediately. Because research has shown that starting early, you have to separate lifestyle from identity. I used to think that better phone equals your progression in life. Better car shows that you're growing in life, or better clothes equals success. But wealth research has shown that truly wealthy often display physical consumption. They prioritize ownership, equity, and investment. Not images, not the things you see, not the clothes I put on, or not the kind of cards I have. Here is the truth. My biggest money mistake wasn't the number or the amount I was receiving. It was my mindset. I thought as long as I am responsible, things will eventually improve. But responsibility without strategy always leads to exhaustion. Hard work without direction also leads to stagnation. So your good intention without financial literacy can lead to survival cycle, and you keep repeating the same cycle. Why most people don't fix this early? Number one, the fear of investing. Many people think that investing is risky, complicated, and is for the rich. But not investing is also very risky because inflation silently reduces your purchasing power. Number two is cultural pressure, family expectations, social comparison, community obligations. When you are seen as doing well, you are expected to get right without boundaries. Income becomes distributed. So these are the things you need to know and be alert and know what to do at the right time. Number three is emotional spending. Studies show emotional states heavily influence financial behavior. Stress spending rewards spending. If money is your stress relief, growth will be very difficult for you. Now, what are the new rules I follow that transform my financial life? I ask myself three questions every time money comes in. What portions build future security? What portion maintain my current life? And what portion improve skills or earning capacity? If money does not create future living, it also disappear. That moves us to the next one. What happens if you don't fix this? Let me be honest with you. If this mistake continues, income increases, lifestyle increases, stress increases, then freedom stays the same. That is the trap. You look stable, but you are not building escape velocity. The hard truth for all adults is that nobody is coming to rescue you financially. Employers don't guarantee stability. Governments don't guarantee comfort. Economics fluctuate. Financial independences require intentional action. The earlier you fix structure, the more time works in your favor. If I may ask, what am I doing differently now? Yes, this is what I do. I focus on controlled lifestyle growth, skill and expansion, assets accumulation, strategy, patience. It's less flashy, yes, but more powerful. For anyone watching who feels late, you are not late. You are aware. And awareness is the very first shift that you know. Research consistently show that financial turnaround can begin at any stage when your behavior changes. The key variable is consistency, not your age. Now, if I could go back, I wouldn't chase more income from the story I just told you. I will fix how money flows because income can grow and still leave you stuck. But structure builds freedom. If this resonates with you, stay here with me. We are not just working hard, we are thinking differently.